Tools for monitoring iSupport. There are several ways to monitor those using the iSupport application and its data. The History field in Work Item screens includes notations on all record actions. Options will be included depending on the record type. The Feed option displays a list of all actions performed on a record. You can filter the content via the Settings icon. The Work option displays text entered via the Add Work History option, and the Audit option includes entries on functions performed by the system as well as support representatives, for example, field changes, as well as correspondence entries. Use the Incident Management Work History tab in the Feature Basics screen to configure options for the Work History fields in the Incidents screen. You can control whether customers can view history entries while displaying their incidents on a MySupport portal. You can easily configure custom rules to receive a notification when activities such as work history updates occur. iSupport includes predefined charts and views for troubleshooting and monitoring trends, as well as drag and drop designers for customizing. You can create a view subscription to send an email with an attached file of exported view data to specified recipients on a schedule. Use the Chart View Audit Tracking screen in configuration to display audit history entries for changes made to charts and views. Use the Discussion Post Management screen in configuration to view, remove, or delete discussion post entries that have been posted via a dashboard newsfeed, MySupport portal newsfeed, or knowledge entry on a MySupport portal. Use the Rep Chat History screen in configuration to view chats between support representatives. The Configuration Audit Tracking screen displays audit history entries for any changes to settings in the configuration module. iSupport's Scan feature collects hardware, software, and service details automatically on non-Windows SNMP-enabled devices on your network, computers with Windows 98 and above, or any WMI-compliant machine. WMI must be installed and active. Defined devices can be scanned automatically on a scheduled basis, and you can select 2 scans and generate a side-by-side comparison. You can also enable asset records to be automatically created for machines that are involved in scheduled scans. You can enable network monitoring of devices and display monitoring results via the Asset Monitor component on the desktop. Monitoring can detect if a device is offline, disk space is lower than a specified minimum, or a service is not running. If a device is flagged, a notification can be sent and an incident or problem record can be created. Use the iSupport environment screen in configuration to compile a printable summary of configuration settings and information on the server on which the report is run. Use the Event Log screen to view event log entries that reflect application errors, messages, and the date and time that iSupport agents run. You can also display the Event Log view via the View component on the desktop and set up a view subscription. You can build a custom view using the Config Event Log data source in the View Designer. You can use the iSupport configuration utility to enable or disable logging to the SQL database on which iSupport is installed and to the Windows Event Viewer. You can configure an email to be sent when informational messages, errors, and/or warnings from the iSupport services, desktop, and MySupport portal are logged. See the online help for more information. That's it for an overview of tools for monitoring iSupport activities. If you have any questions, be sure to consult the online help or contact customer support by email at support@isupport.com and by phone at 360-397-1099. We're available 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday PST and 8 to 5 p.m. Saturday and Sunday PST for critical system failures such as installation errors, inability to log in, or inability to create work items. You can also go to mysupport.isupport.com, iSupport Software's technical support website, to chat with support representatives, submit and view incidents, search the knowledge base, view facts, submit ideas, and participate in the user discussion forum.